Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can assign or add a shadow effect to images and photos in your drawings on LibreOffice Draw in 2026. So let us dive into this. Start by heading over to your project on LibreOffice Draw, navigate to the page and insert an image by clicking into Insert here at the top, by choosing Image here, and by navigating to the file on your device to locate it and to upload it here. So guys, what you want to do is select the given image with your left mouse. After that, navigate to the Properties tab here in the top right. And what you want to do next is head over to the Shadow tab here, expand it, and make sure that Enable is enabled here, so that you see that default shadow effect here. So if I click into the canvas, and we will see that default shadow effect. Now you can customize that by left clicking into image. You will be redirected to the Shadow tab here. So guys, below the enable check mark you will see the angle. You may customize that and see which angle of the shadow effect you like. I will go with 315 degrees. You may customize or adjust the distance of the shadow to the object or to the image, like this for instance, and the color below. So let me go with something similar to that blue color. So click into custom color and let me go with something like this. You may choose a different hue, saturation and brightness, or use a specific hex color code. And yeah, in the last step you may also add a blurring effect or a transparency if you like, by using these sliders here, so that the shadow effect is more transparent or has a higher opacity, and do the same for the blurring. And that's how it would look like. If I click into the canvas, you will see that slight blue shadow behind the image, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.